Yeah, so we're here at the Waterville State Fish Hatchery for our open house where we invite everyone to come out and experience our hatchery and all the things that we do here. We have walleye eggs that are incubating on the jar rack. We got walleye that are hatching, so there's new fry there. We have some northern pike that are being fed dry diet. We have food here. We have some displays, some fun things for the kids, and some historical information upstairs, and free popcorn for anybody that comes and visits.
And we're also celebrating the fact that this will be one of the last open houses in this old facility, because we are going to be renovating this to a modern facility that serves the needs of Minnesota in the future.
Of course, this building being built in 1951, it's old, it's dilapidated and becoming more dilapidated each year. In order to sustain it, its ability to raise fish and stock into the future, really statewide for muskie and walleye and northern pike, we needed an investment. So this is very timely. We're very excited about it, and we want people to come out here and be a part of that. I suspect we'll continue to have open houses now and all the way through the construction process in the next couple of years.
It is a historic one-time investment that Minnesota made last year in our outdoor experiences, and we're really excited that fisheries and fishing infrastructure is one of the categories of investments that will be made through Get Out More. And even more exciting is that Waterville, which plays such a critical role in walleye stocking across the state of Minnesota, is one of the places that is going to be completely renovated into a modernized facility that really serves the needs for the future.